Imagine waking up tomorrow without an alarm clock, without a boss breathing down your neck. Imagine a life without a cubicle dictating how you spend your time. Most people spend decades trapped in the 9-to-5 grind, trading hours for money. They barely get ahead and watch their dreams drift further away. But what if you could break free from that cycle and start building real wealth on your own terms? What if financial freedom didn't require waiting for a promotion, enduring endless meetings, or sacrificing years of your life for someone else's profit? In this video, we're going to reveal how ordinary people create extraordinary financial results without ever relying on a traditional job. You'll learn how to leverage your skills, knowledge, and resources to generate multiple streams of income. You'll also discover how to invest intelligently to earn passive returns. You'll see how to design a lifestyle that maximizes both freedom and wealth. This isn't about shortcuts, gimmicks, or luck. It's about practical strategies, disciplined planning, and deliberate actions that make your money work for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to start small and scale consistently. You'll be ready to take control of your financial future. You'll see real-world examples of freelancing, digital businesses, investing, and monetizing assets. These allow people to earn without ever clocking in. Whether your goal is to travel the world, spend more time with family, or escape living paycheck to paycheck, this guide will help. It equips you with the mindset, knowledge, and actionable steps to start building wealth outside the 9-to-5. The path won't always be easy, but every great success starts with a single step. Today could be the day you take yours toward a life where your money works for you, a life where your time belongs to you. Building wealth without a traditional job begins with a mindset transformation. Most people are conditioned to trade their time for money, believing security only comes from a steady paycheck. Financial freedom comes from thinking differently. It's about understanding that money can work for you rather than you working for money. This mindset requires seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It also requires embracing a long-term vision rather than short-term gratification. Wealth is not just income, it's about building assets, reducing liabilities, and making smart investments. Delayed gratification is crucial. Instead of spending every dollar immediately, reinvest a portion into income-generating assets, education, or business ventures. Financial literacy is essential. Understanding how money works, managing it effectively, and growing it through compounding or smart investment strategies is fundamental. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking and inspire growth. Avoid negativity, envy, and fear-based thinking. Persistence and resilience are vital. Setbacks and failures are inevitable, but each obstacle provides lessons to propel you forward. By thinking like an entrepreneur or investor rather than an employee, you start recognizing opportunities invisible to those stuck in the 9-to-5 mindset. Habits like saving, learning, networking, and taking calculated risks lay the groundwork for income not tied to hours worked. Developing this mindset ensures that when opportunities arise, you are ready to act and build sustainable wealth. This foundational chapter rewires your thinking. It breaks free from limiting beliefs and prepares you to pursue wealth independently. Without this mindset, even the best strategies can falter. With it, you gain clarity, focus, and resilience necessary to succeed. Relying on a single source of income is risky, especially when you don't have the security of a 9-to-5. Creating multiple streams of income ensures stability. It accelerates wealth creation and allows you to diversify risk. Income streams can be active, where you trade skills and time for money, or passive, where your money or assets generate ongoing revenue with minimal effort. Freelancing, consulting, or service-based work monetizes your skills immediately. Digital products such as online courses, ebooks, and apps scale your expertise to a global audience. E-commerce, dropshipping, or print-on-demand ventures allow selling products worldwide while automating most processes. Real estate investments and dividend-paying stocks offer passive income that continues even when you aren't actively working. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Diversification of income mitigates risk and accelerates your journey toward financial independence. Start small, focusing on one or two streams initially, then gradually expand. Automation and outsourcing free your time for high-value activities. As each income stream grows, it compounds your earnings. It creates a snowball effect that exponentially increases wealth. Multiple streams also develop financial resilience. Even if one source slows or stops, you have others to rely on. Over time, these streams reduce dependence on active work. You can focus on strategic investments or business opportunities that scale further. Consistency, reinvestment, and leveraging systems maximize efficiency. Creating and nurturing multiple income channels sets the stage for true financial freedom. This isn't just about earning more, it's about building a network of income sources that provide stability, growth, and independence. Your knowledge, talents, and experience are among your most valuable assets. Leveraging them allows you to earn money without being confined to a 9-to-5. Identify what you do best: writing, coding, designing, consulting, teaching, or other skills that create value. Once identified, you can monetize these abilities in scalable ways. Creating an online course or tutorial requires upfront effort but can generate recurring income indefinitely. Consulting or coaching provides premium value while allowing you to charge higher rates for specialized expertise. Publishing ebooks, building a YouTube channel, or developing apps lets you reach a global audience. These strategies generate passive income over time. Scalability is key. 1 hour of strategic work should ideally create long-term results, not just immediate pay. Diversifying the ways you monetize your skills ensures multiple income streams. It mitigates risk if one avenue slows. Continuous learning is essential. Staying updated with trends, acquiring new competencies, and expanding your skill set increases value. Networking and visibility are critical. Sharing your expertise online, participating in communities, and building a personal brand amplifies income potential. Leveraging skills goes beyond trading time for money. It's about turning expertise into assets that create recurring revenue. Focusing on high-value scalable opportunities transforms knowledge into a wealth-generating engine. It sets the stage for long-term financial freedom and independence. Investing is the cornerstone of building wealth without relying on a 9-to-5. Passive income from investments allows your money to grow even when you aren't actively working. Stocks, index funds, ETFs, bonds, real estate, peer-to-peer lending, and digital assets all provide opportunities for compounding returns. Compounding is powerful, consistent. Small investments grow exponentially over time. Stocks and ETFs offer liquidity and long-term growth. Dividend-paying stocks generate recurring cash flow that can be reinvested. Real estate investments, whether physical properties or REITs, provide both appreciation and steady income. These assets allow your money to work for you, freeing your time for other pursuits. Risk management is critical. Diversifying investments, avoiding speculative trends, and understanding market cycles reduce the potential for significant losses. Start with assets you understand and gradually expand as your knowledge grows. Regularly reinvesting profits maximizes the benefits of compounding. Monitoring and adjusting your portfolio ensures long-term success. Strategic investing provides both financial security and freedom. Over time, passive income from investments can replace active work entirely. This enables true financial independence and flexibility in your lifestyle. Owning a business is one of the fastest paths to wealth outside a traditional job. Entrepreneurship allows you to create value, scale operations, and leverage the time and effort of others. Start with small ventures aligned with your skills and passions. Test ideas with minimal upfront investment before scaling. Once validated, systems and automation allow growth without constant hands-on involvement. Hiring support, outsourcing tasks, and implementing scalable processes free your time. Businesses have the potential for unlimited income, unlike a capped salary. They can generate recurring revenue, appreciate in value, and even be sold for profit. The key is solving real problems and creating genuine value for customers. Build processes that operate independently of your direct labor. Entrepreneurship fosters resilience, creativity, and financial literacy. While risks exist, disciplined planning, research, and execution increase your likelihood of success. A well-managed business can become the cornerstone of wealth. It offers both financial freedom and control over your time. The digital era has transformed wealth creation. Online opportunities like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, freelancing, and digital products allow global reach with minimal overhead. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Udemy enable entrepreneurs to sell products or knowledge worldwide. Content creation monetizes audiences through ads, sponsorships, or subscriptions. Start small, build credibility, and focus on delivering value to your audience. Automation, scheduling, and marketing tools amplify reach without increasing effort. Consistency and quality content attract loyal followers and recurring revenue. The scalability of online ventures means your efforts are no longer directly tied to time worked. Over time, digital businesses can generate substantial passive and active income. This provides both freedom and flexibility, allowing wealth creation outside traditional employment. Leveraging the internet allows anyone with skill, creativity, or knowledge to bypass the 9-to-5 model. It opens doors to global opportunities previously unavailable to individuals. Real estate remains one of the most reliable paths to wealth. Rental properties provide consistent cash flow while property values appreciate over time. Leverage allows investors to control significant assets with relatively small initial capital. Strategies include rental homes, commercial properties, or REITs, and crowdfunding platforms for smaller investments. Location research, tenant management, and long-term planning are critical for success. Real estate offers tangible security and hedges against inflation. Passive income from property accumulates steadily. Unlike stocks, real estate is less volatile in the short term and can provide predictable returns. Over decades, rental income and property appreciation can create substantial net worth. Real estate is a cornerstone for financial independence for those seeking wealth without a 9-to-5. Without a 9-to-5 structure, managing your time becomes critical. Time is your most valuable asset, and effective scheduling ensures maximum results. Prioritize high-impact tasks, delegate or automate repetitive work, and create routines that maximize focus. Avoid distractions, multitasking, and low-value activities. Balance work with rest and learning to prevent burnout. Systems and discipline allow scaling of income streams without proportional time investment. Efficient time management amplifies every effort. Your actions compound into wealth over time. This principle is essential for anyone building financial freedom independently. Turning hours into meaningful results creates exponential growth. Building wealth outside a 9-to-5 is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency compounds over time. Small, deliberate actions repeated daily create exponential growth. Reinvest profits, track progress, and adjust strategies based on performance and market trends. Stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions. Focus on long-term objectives rather than instant gratification. Monitor risks, diversify income streams, and continuously educate yourself. Patience and resilience are essential. Wealth grows steadily for those who persist. Every small step contributes to financial independence. The habits you cultivate today shape your future freedom. By maintaining a long-term perspective and consistently applying proven strategies, you can achieve wealth, autonomy, and the ability to live life entirely on your terms. At this point, you've explored the mindset, strategies, and actionable steps needed to build wealth without a traditional 9-to-5. Financial freedom isn't about luck or shortcuts, it's about consistent, deliberate action. Leverage your skills, create multiple income streams, invest wisely, and manage your time effectively. Challenges and setbacks may arise, but every effort compounds into long-term results. Starting small is better than waiting for the perfect moment. Each action you take today builds momentum for tomorrow. Your first income stream, investment, or online venture may be modest, but consistency, patience, and learning from experience transform it into a foundation for substantial wealth. Take control of your financial future. Embrace the mindset of an entrepreneur or investor, and design your life around freedom rather than obligation. The 9-to-5 is not a requirement for success, it's a choice, and you have the power to choose differently. Begin today, focus on growth, and keep taking steps toward financial independence. Over time, your efforts will compound, your income will diversify, and the life you've imagined where your money works for you will become your reality. The key is to start, stay disciplined, and remain consistent. Wealth is built over time, not overnight. Your journey to financial freedom begins with the first decision, the first action, and the courage to take control of your destiny. The sooner you start, the closer you get to a life of independence, opportunity, and true wealth on your own terms.